Synthetic clothes just smell. I remember when I started playing hockey, and I remember when I started to go to the gym. And I wanted to be cool like everybody else, so I just went and I bought the hockey gear. I bought the pads, I bought the sleeves, I bought the undershirts, I bought the athletic performance moisture-wicking materialed clothes, and I started wearing it when I would play hockey. I started wearing gym clothes when I would go to the gym. And sure, I looked really, really cool. I had different colors and different patterns and different fits and different styles. But you know what else I had? Body odor. I had smells that just smelled so bad from like an early age. Like I remember my mom being like, David, your clothes smell horrible. And I was just like, it's part of growing up. Everyone else's clothes smell horrible too, right? Like everybody smells. But as I've gotten older, and now I'm doing my own laundry, and I have a wife who helps me with my laundry, and we're both like smelling our activewear. It's like, why do these clothes smell so bad? Well, interestingly enough, I found out that most of our activewear clothing that's not made out of natural fibered materials, I'm talking like old school stuff, cotton, wool, linen, even bamboo and hemp. If the clothes aren't made from a natural fiber, then they are made by a plastic derived fiber. Spandex, nylon. These synthetic materials that are moisture wicking, what do you think they do with the moisture? They wick it, which means it doesn't absorb it, which means it just kind of sits on the barrier between the clothes and your skin, which can cause irritation, it can cause smells, it can cause rashing and chafing. And lately, if you follow me on Instagram, or if you've watched multiple of my videos, or if you don't, maybe this is your first video you've ever watched. My name is David Moss Jr. I'm a health and wellness enthusiast. I try, test, experiment with, and share on all sorts of health and wellness products, modalities. I review a ton of saunas, cold plunges, DIYs. I experiment with different things. I went from wearing sunscreen and eating the standard American diet to eating animal-based, vegan, fasting, not wearing any sunscreen, living my life outdoors as a biohacker. I experiment with a lot of stuff. And I'm blessed now that this is my full-time job, and brands will send me stuff. I have boxes of stuff. I'm just being transparent. I have no problem sharing that. Boxes of stuff. Stuff that I don't even open, stuff that I just give away. And it's a blessing, but because of that, I'm able to just test and experiment and use these products. And most of them I just throw away. Most of them I just give away. Most of them I don't even care about. But there's one thing that I was gifted with and freaking loved, and it's called Riker Activewear. They make organic cotton shorts that have zipper pockets and a drawstring, that have merino wool liners that are like a compression liner around your leg. They fit super similar to all of my favorite old activewear that was made out of synthetic materials that I still have today. And the reason I'm making this video is because I just worked out with my kids, and I'm like, guys, you guys smell. It was me. It was me. It was the shorts that I was wearing. They smelt, and I'm like, freaking A, dude. Like, because I'm wearing Riker activewear so much lately, because I'm literally, it's like all I wear. Like, that's what I'm wearing right now. Riker activewear, like an old pair of shorts that I've had for a while. And what's crazy is this tank top I'm wearing is a synthetic shirt because no one's made me a perfect organic cotton tank top. So if you know of a brand that does that, please let me know. Riker, let's get to making tank tops like this, bro. I need them to just fit. I need them to be perfect just like this. So I do still wear synthetic clothing, but when I'm in the sauna, when I'm outside, I prefer wearing organic natural fibers. And what I have found is that I don't chafe, I don't smell, the clothes don't smell, they clean up so nice, and they keep their fit, they keep their form. I think I don't know, maybe I was just like lied to, or maybe we were all lied to, but like to buy plastic derived clothing, synthetic clothing, and they keep their form, they keep their spandex, they keep their shape, they're tight, they're form fitting or compression. I think like we were kind of sold that that's important, but man, the skin is the largest organ on our body and needs to breathe. And we're putting plastic on it. We're basically wrapping ourselves with saran wrap and then asking our body to perform. It's nuts to me. Like, case in point, I wish my wife was here right now. I'd have her jump on this camera and tell you. But because she's a woman, and there's very minimal brands making organic fibered women's clothing, very minimal, like 3. She basically has all synthetic clothing and she wears it. We'll work out. We've ran High Rocks together. We ran a first marathon together last year. We've done a lot of cool stuff together. We're always outside. We're always super active. But she smells. Love you, babe. But like the clothes smell. Like even if she uses all the performance, sports, smelly stuff, they just freaking smell. Like the clothes smell. I smell currently. Like from this tank top I'm wearing. I smell. The shorts I was wearing this morning, I smelled. And like that's a thing. The smell is a thing. But the second thing, the biggest thing is she finally found a brand that she was able to wear. She bought one pair, very expensive. Yep, I know, I get it, Riker's expensive. I have a discount code for that reason. You can find other stuff if you want to, but I wear Riker. I've had 15 pair of organic clothing Probably haven't heard me talk about any of them. Nads is the only other one. They make a great underwear. But Riker is what I wear daily. Like, that's it. I'll actually have links down below of the brands that I would recommend, Riker being the top of that list. And I do have a discount code to save you money. That's great. You can use it. Supports the channel. Supports me. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. What matters is I'm sharing this information because I've lived it. And if you are tired of your clothes smelling, you're tired of your skin not being able to breathe, then you need to try some organic clothing. You need to try some natural fibered clothing. You need to sleep on linen sheets. Allow your body to actually breathe while you're sleeping. Allow your body to breathe while you're performing. Be naked if you can in the sauna, but if not, at minimum, wear some natural organic cotton shorts, wool shorts, something simple so your organs can breathe. Your organs meaning your skin. And back to my wife's experience. She got one pair, she put it on, she's like, oh, it actually fits. And then we went and ran a really intense workout. And she's like, I feel like I'm performing so much better. And what's crazy is I was like, it's probably your clothes. It's probably the outfit you're wearing. Your skin's able to breathe and thermoregulate much more efficiently because it's not hitting plastic and wicking the moisture. And she's like, nah, there's no way that's right. Well, then the next time we worked out, she put on her normal clothes and she's like, oh, get this off of me. She's like, I feel suffocated. And you won't ever feel it unless you actually try it. So I wanted to make a video just riffing here off the top of my head, talking about why you're gonna continue seeing me talk about Riker Activewear, Nads, and other organic natural fibered materials, because I think everybody should start transitioning. I don't think you need to like go burn and throw away all your clothes, but I think having a couple pair of natural fibered underwear, natural fibered activewear, natural fibered clothing, natural fibered towels, natural fibered sheets on your bed, the things that you're spending a majority of your time in and on, I think that's where it really is gonna start to compound and matter. And I think once you finally get like 1 or 2 or 3 pair that fit you well and you try them out and you start kind of going back and forth, you might have a similar experience to me. You might have a similar experience to my wife where you're like, crap, I understand it now. I get it now. And hey, that's my riff. I appreciate you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, my friend, and God bless.